Okay, let's get back to it. So where were we? We're done with story 4. Let's go to story 5, okay? Analyze user participation metrics. As a community manager, I want to analyze user participation metrics and generate reports so that I can keep track of the data and improve engagement. Acceptance tests. Verify that community manager can view detailed reports on user participation. Verify that participation metrics include metrics like comments, posts, likes, and shares. Verify that the community manager can filter and export the data for further analysis.
So Ruman, when you say participation metrics, you mean all those things, right? Comments, posts, likes, and shares.
Yes, all of those metrics should be included.
Okay, it's kind of similar with the YouTube that we have discussed in during the workshop as well, right? Yeah, yeah, I
During the
remember.
workshop.
Yeah, I remember. I
I think
remember.
we
Yeah.
did. You're right. I think we did.
But regarding to
I
the
posted the
acceptance
points,
test,
guys.
sorry, I have a question.
Okay. Everyone else, can you do that too?
Okay. Should the feedback be anonymous or should it be linked to a user?
I'm sorry, Said, you're reading the wrong story. We're on this one. I'm sorry about that. We're on this story. You guys sure it's like we should give it 8 points?
Yeah, because it's complicated.
Okay, can you tell me why?
Yeah, because it requires user analytics, filtering, and reporting the dashboard.
Okay, that makes sense.
And to generate the reports, it's need a lot of data and the real time data.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. On to the next one. Here's 6. As a community manager, I want to gather feedback from users so that I can improve the overall experience of the community. To verify that, we're gonna do their acceptance tests. Tests are that the manager can send out surveys or feedback forms to users. Users can submit their feedback through their feedback system, and the feedback is stored and available for review. Any questions? Saeed, you had a question, right? Saeed.
My yeah, I had a question because I was trying to follow up with this next one. So my question is should the feedback be anonymous or should it be linked to a particular users? Because
The feedback should be linked to the specific user, but I think we can provide an anonymous option too if they need it.
oh, I got
I
it.
think we should have both features in our system.
True.
I guess
Yeah, because it's
the
feedback.
anonymous
Yeah.
might be like more helpful since we are working on a privacy app like for safety.
That makes sense.
I'm still thinking about this. Mm, okay, okay. Let's see.
Okay. Arshdeep.
Yes.
Arshdeep. Why did you give it two? Do you think it's that simple?
So the reason why I give it like because it's just a simple feedback survey, so it can be either created with the Google form as well. So it don't need any much like strong complex programming for this. The manager
Um,
can simply share the link for the feedback survey.
but true. That's but there's a feedback system. And like it's also available for real.
But if
Yes,
you
and we
want
do
to make
have
it a
like,
little simple, you can just use the Google Forms.
as
Okay, guys, but
we could have the existing feedback system as well because we have used it before.
Centennials?
No, like on the other user stories, we have even like used this for the feedback.
So Prakash, why did you give it three?
On mute.
Sorry, I'm mute. Yeah, I give it two or three because of it's just kind. I feel like it's just kind of basic form submission that we are doing from the React and the simple API endpoint from the backend that we are using Express and Node.js. So that's why I thought it wouldn't be hard to achieve that goal. That's why I given three.
Okay.
And also we could retrieve those feedback data from the MongoDB so that the community manager could able to see it.
Um, gold.
Well, I like to look at it from because I felt that it has, like a multi-platform support, and it's going to take a lot of high effort feature that will require significant backend and UI work. But I think, well, I can decide to go with the five after hearing um, the rest of the team. So yeah, so
Okay.
I think it could be simplified.
Okay. Meg.
Yeah.
And do you think you can convince Arshdeep to go with you guys?
I think the UI needs like some 2 points around, and also like if there are different type of feedbacks, for example, uh, like for post or for comment or something. So I think that would like saving data and retrieving data and then sending feedback according to that. I think it would take, and then
Okay.
testing as well.
Okay. Kind of makes sense. What do you say, Arshdeep? Arshdeep.
So I think yeah, it would be more appropriate because if we are using the system's own feedback, then definitely it will take more time.
Let's go with five then.
Yeah.
Mm. So okay. So on to the next one. Control over user posts. As a community manager, I want to have control over user posts so that I can maintain a positive and secure environment. Verify that the community manager can approve or reject user posts before they're published. The community manager can edit or delete inappropriate posts And the users are notified when their posts are rejected or edited.
Hmm. I have a question here though.
Mm-hmm.
So like should there be automatic flagging of posts containing inappropriate content?
I think we should like set and some like everybody knows the offensive word. If a post contains those words, we can automatically flag them as inappropriate.
Okay, that's fine. No question from me anymore.
A statement maybe.
So guys, have you used anything like this for the event manager, like to report or comment, delete the inappropriate post or something?
No,
I
event
think
manager is
so.
only gonna create the event, like create, edit, and update the event. We're gonna use similar functionalities for a group moderator.
I think that it was in maybe in the administrator to review all these
The
inappropriate posts.
administrator, let me check.
Yeah, definitely administrator will have that. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Academics, remember, but I think you're right. Administrator should be here. Okay, manage user data, engagement and tracking
Yeah, it's reported post.
here.
Yeah, there is reviewing reported posts.
But he can only delete or take action against them
Oh, okay,
after
okay,
viewing
okay.
them. This one is like a bit complex because I think this one's easier because it's automatically gonna delete it. I don't know about the back end and front end stuff. You guys have to decide.
Yeah, yeah, we could. Yeah, it's automatically detect those things. Yeah, we have done those things for when we make a kind of Gemini app in last semester.
The chat, the AI chat one.
Yeah, even in AI chat one, the sensitive data like what we say, like related to the weapons or something like that, it's automatically detected, and then the Gemini will not respond it.
Okay.
But here, yeah, I think this is hard to achieve because it will automatically detect it should automatically detect every word or content in the posts.
Okay. Is everyone done?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Wait, do all of you
Well,
guys agree?
Yeah,
yeah.
because it's complex.
Yeah, actually, I also agree
Did I
with
change
that
your mind?
because if it's actually like an automatic flagging, earlier I
Mm-hmm.
asked, right? If it is like
Mm-hmm.
an automatic flagging, like it require probably some like machine learning models to achieve that. But if it is like I want to make it like a manual one, that might be straightforward. But making it automatic flagging, it requires some machine learning models to accomplish that. So that's more complex.
I'm great that everybody agrees. That's all that matters. Okay. Report users in inappropriate language. As a community manager, I want to report users and their use of an. Oh, it's the same as reporting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So similar stories have similar. Where is it? Was it
Yeah,
in
I think let's skip that the next story 8 and delete the 7 one because it's more harder to do it automatically. But in the 7,
Are we
yeah,
supposed
it's
to delete stories? I don't think so. We can just
really.
ignore them later, maybe.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can do
Yep.
that.
We're not because we already did the the diagram like
Yeah,
Delphi.
makes sense. Makes sense. We already did that prototype low fidelity diagram, right?
But I think
Yep.
we are able to do it here during the estimation time if we want.
We can.
Yeah,
Okay then. Um, but each step has a user story, right?
Yeah.
How can we delete a user story that we have a step off? So here's the difference. It's gonna report the users, and this one's gonna automatically like mark them reject their posts. This one's gonna report them and then warn them. Or maybe this should have like similar points. Guys,
so let's just keep it like this only.
let's just give it the same points.
No, keep it as it is, like different user stories instead of deleting.
No, what about the points
No,
then?
but the estimation points will be the same.
Right?
Yeah, at the end we will do one
Parking
history
there,
when we are
guys.
implementing, and we will ignore the other one.
We're just gonna take the report button and like add it here.
Yeah, exactly. What's the next one?
Okay, group moderator.
Oh, we are
The group
done.
moderator dashboard. Okay, the dashboard's gonna take the same points. 5.
Yeah.
Creating communities. What was creating communities?
Yeah, we were same.
Community manager. Filter. Okay, 5 points. 5 points. Um, Modify group settings. View reports. How much did we give to view reports? How much was view reports again?
I think it was 8 because if the same features, even administrator has the same feature, the most of the user rules have that same feature to generate the reports.
What about this? Manage member roles, requests, modify group settings. I don't think anybody else had that. Okay, privacy like visibility. We do have that. We did, right?
Yeah, yeah, we do have that one.
And maybe admin? Or was it
Oh,
in
for the previous one? No, no, I don't think so. We have that one.
visibility though? I don't remember. Give me a second. Public and then past statements. Okay, never mind. Maybe we don't have it. Okay. Here, create and manage posts.
Okay.
Yeah, we do have that one.
Right? Can somebody check and tell me what the points were?
Could you please scroll up? I could check it.
Gather feedback. User metrics. Here, 5 points.
Yeah.
And then important announcement was also 5 points. And we need to work on this one. Wait. Gather feedback. Announcements. Yes. Update. Okay. Here. And this is probably the last one that we have to do.
I think we should give the create group 3 points because it's just creating a group. In community manager, it
No,
was
it's
like
creating and
creating.
managing.
Just
Oh,
creating and
because
managing.
it was written like create group only. That's why.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
But it should also specify the categories and stuff. It's almost the same as community manager.
Okay.
I th- I don't know. Do you guys want to do it for this one?
Oh, that's the same.
It's
It's
the
the
same.
same.
No, it can
Yes.
be three. It can be three, I think.
Because
Like
in
Ivan said, because
community.
yeah, because
Okay.
the group moderator will create the group under that already defined categories. So when user sign in, when user find the when they select their interest, those groups will be suggested to the students, right? Users.
Okay. Let me read the acceptance test, and then maybe you guys can estimate.
Okay, okay, yep.
Okay.
Go to yeah, let's go.
Okay. So as a group moderator, I want to create a group so that like-minded people can connect with each other. And the acceptance tests are verifying that the group moderator can create a new group with details like names, descriptions, and categories, and verifying that the new group is accessible for the users for joining to the users for joining. So let's take a minute and come up with an estimate.
Okay.
Are you guys done?
Hmm.
One, two, three. Okay.
Yep.
Meg.
Yeah.
Why
Because
did you go with?
because for the event management we were like creating the event, but here we are creating the group. Isn't it different?
Creating
No,
the
it's
event?
it's kind of same thing, Milk.
But that's an event.
Dad, can you condense
So
it?
we are creating it here. I don't
So
know.
it's this one. It's only just creating the group. It's kind
Yeah.
of similar to the community, but it has like list functionalities.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do
This
three.
would be easy.
Meg,
Okay.
do you
Yeah.
think we should
Let's
do
go with
three?
3. Yep.
Okay. Okay. As a group moderator, I want to manage member roles and requests and modify group settings so that I can keep the group engaging. We have already done that, right? Modifying group setting, like community settings.
Yeah, I think we have.
Here, edit, delete, discussions. But this also includes roles. Do you think it still has the same points? Guys,
Yeah, I think so. I think it should be the same.
it is done. I think we're done with everyone.
Hmm.
That's the end of the document. Thank you
Okay.
so much for joining, everyone. We're finally done.
Oh, are we done?
Yep,
Yeah.
that was the last
Oh,
one. Thank God. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Great night.
Good
Thank you
night.
for joining. Bye.
Bye.
thank you so much, Agile customer. It would happen been possible without you, your efforts as well.
No
Yeah,
problem.
kudos to you. Kudos to you.